Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And my name is Radhi Mutaha binti Muhammad Asman, matric number 078334. I will present about my final year project, which is called Chillmate. So Chillmate, we have live sensor monitoring, YOLO food detection, smart food inventory, and AI recipe generator. This is the landing page. Let's go straight into our dashboard. Inside the dashboard, we can see the climate control and air quality. Climate control, the temperature and humidity, which came from DHT11 sensor. Air quality, the gas level reading, which came from MQ3 gas sensor. Over here we can see the notification, which is the alerts from the system, and we can also view the climate graph and the gas level graph, which is showing for every 5 seconds. The next tab, which is the camera. Inside the camera feed, we can see the food items inside the fridge with the bounding boxes. This image was captured by ESP32 and this is the inventory with the percentage. Here is the item detected, the total, and the model status, which is active. We need to activate with the Python environment. The next tab, which is the inventory. The inventory showing the expired, expiring soon, and the latest total of the fridge items. The fridge items is listed with the expiry dates, status, how many days left until the expiry dates, and action, which we can edit the expiry date. It is total up over here. Now we can also view the last 5 scans. Scan 5, Scan 4, Scan 3, Scan 2, and Scan 1. Each of the scan is showing with date and time. Now let's close our scan. Now the last tab or menu is recipe. The recipe studio, we can generate recipe with AI, and we can also add our own recipe inside our cookbook. Here is the fridge items that are detected, and I will explain this recipe menu in more details later. I will show you how the detection works. So we need to click on this retry button to capture our new image. Right now it is live. Now let's add some of the fridge items. After we insert all of the fridge items, let's click on this blue button to detect our food image. So as you can see, there are 2 eggs, 1 apple, orange, tomato, milk, banana, cheese, and carrot, with a total of 9. It labeled with all the bounding boxes with the percentage. Now let's go to generate our recipe. Now let's click this generate recipe with AI. Here is the total up here. It is updated. Now let's generate the recipe. We can also save all of these recipes inside our cookbook with this save button. For example, banana egg pancake. It is saved over here. Now, we can also add our own recipe inside the cookbook, and it will label as handcrafted. We can also delete the recipe. Now, I will show you how the spoilage detection. I will be using this spoiled banana. Now it is spoilage detected. You can see the notification up here, and the gas level graph is going up. Now let's remove our spoiled banana. It is going down. Now it is fresh. And there are no more notifications. You can see the gas level is going down. Okay, that is all for me. Thank you.